Hey guys, the brand sent me a free sample of this window and door screen cleaner. I wanted to demonstrate how well this thing works. Now, before we take it to a screen and show you that, I just wanted to run through a couple of the features. Now, the first thing you notice about this is the big brush head. You can see here in relation to my hand how big this thing is. Now, the brush itself is very gentle, yet has amazing cleaning power, which I'm going to demonstrate in just a bit. Now, there's two ways to use it. You can use it like this if you need a little bit more length, or you can remove this and just use it with the handle. Now, let's take it to a screen and demonstrate how well this thing works. You can see here, using it dry, it does clean both sides of the screen. Now, the other option is you can dunk it in some water with a little bit of soap, as I've done here, and then you can do a wet cleaning if you want a little bit more thoroughness. So it's easy to use, it works great, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who has a screen in their house.